Okay, guys, so today we're going to be taking some notes on prepositional phrases. So you need two foldables. I think that there's another one that I accidentally added in that you do not need. Okay, so you just need these two. Okay, and then once you have your table of contents and your 2 pages filled out, come on back. Welcome back. Okay, so these are the 2 foldables that you need. Make sure that it says prepositions on the back. Okay, and then it has the banker with the red face. This should be the only other one you have. You use the other one under clauses. Okay. So make sure that we have, I'm going to put it as prepositional phrases. Okay, make sure you have that on both sides. Okay, so then this is pretty easy. Okay, always leave space at the top, but we are going to tape pink straight down, and then this is going to, once again, I'm going to cut along these lines, okay? So I'll see you back in just a few minutes. Okay, so if you have this done correctly, these should all flip up. Okay, and yep, that's about it. Okay, so a preposition is a word that shows a relationship between 2 words. Okay, it's either going to be, well, it can be anything in all honesty, because prepositional phrases can be used in different ways. But a preposition is going to be, the preposition is that word that shows the relationship. Okay, a preposition always starts a prepositional phrase. A preposition never stands alone. Okay, it always has a phrase that it goes with. Okay, because it's going to show the relationship between something in the sentence and a noun. Okay, so if you look on your pink real quick, there are 2 kinds of prepositional phrases. There are adjective phrases. Those are going to modify a noun or a pronoun by telling what kind or which one. And then there's also adverb phrases. These are going to modify a verb, adjective, or adverb by telling where, in what manner, or to what extent. So these prepositional phrases technically work as adjectives or adverbs, but they're phrases. Okay, so the examples that I have here are going to show them being used in those different ways. Okay, so the first way that we have is it can modify a noun. Ooh, before I forget, just throwing that out there. So this pink piece of paper underneath, these are all common prepositions. A lot of these are the ones that are up on my cabinet in my room. Okay, now I'm not saying that those are all of the prepositions, but those are the most common. Okay, so here's our first one. We have the banker with the red face nervously counted the money. So the word with is showing the relationship between the banker and red face, okay, because it's with the red face. So this phrase with the red face is describing the banker, okay? You can also have it modify a pronoun. Those by the door. So this by is showing the relationship of those and the door. And it's describing which ones are those? The ones by the door. Okay? They can also modify verbs. Okay? We raced towards the door when the bell rang. Toward the door is describing where they raced. Okay? And toward is showing a relationship between the word raced and the door, okay? It can also modify an adjective, okay? So I am very energetic. Energetic is already describing I. It's already saying that I am very energetic, okay? So that's already an adjective. Without drinking coffee or tea. So the word without is showing the relationship of coffee and tea to the word energetic. Okay? And the last way you can use a prepositional phrase is to modify an adverb. So carefully is already discussing or is already showing how I walked. Now we are going to say something else. So I walked carefully near the fragile house of cards. So walk carefully where? Near is describing the relationship between carefully, and I'm going to tell you that house is technically the end of this prepositional phrase, and of cards is another prepositional phrase. Okay? When we do our mentor sentences, we put parentheses around these just to set them off. Okay? And then we label these. The first word is always going to be our preposition, and our last word is a noun. But when we do our mentor sentences, we always label those as the object of the preposition. Okay? So you guys should now be able to get on and do the IXL over prepositions and prepositional phrases. Okay? And then take that quiz. Okay? And I will see you guys in class on Monday.